Welcome to Assembly's new Flows feature. I'm going to show you how to create a one-on-one for all of your direct reports. You can include all of your direct reports in the same flow to keep all of their responses in the same place and track those responses over time and provide feedback to your direct reports via the comment section. To start, from the flow feeds list on the left, select Add a new flow. Select the one-on-one with direct report template, and this will pre-populate all of our recommended questions into the content section. To start, I would recommend scheduling the flow to occur at least one day before the meeting actually occurs to give your direct reports enough time to fill it out. Once you have that schedule configured, click Next to move on to selecting who you would like to participate in this flow. In this use case, your participants will be all of your direct reports. This means all of them will receive the exact same flow and they will fill it out and it will all go into the same place. You can select by selecting members. If it's easier to select them by email, you can do it that way, or you can select entire departments. I selected my participants individually as these are my 3 direct reports. Click Next. In the visibility step, you'll configure who can see the flow's responses. Because some of these answers might be confidential in nature, my recommendation would be to select owner only, which means I am the only person that can see all of the responses. Participants will always be able to see their responses in the same place. They just won't be able to see the other direct reports responses. In the content step, you'll see all of the questions that we provided via our template, but all of these questions can be modified. These are suggestions, so do with it what you'd like. In the open-ended block, you can select what kind of media you'd like them to be able to include, whether you want them to be able to attach files, add GIFs, emojis, mention other people in the assembly. This template has a lot of open-ended blocks, but we offer a variety of different types of blocks if there's other information you're looking to capture in a different way. At the end of this template, we provide a scale that allows your direct reports to objectively measure how they're feeling week over week or bi-weekly or however frequently you have your one-on-ones. You can change the labels as another method of customization. Once you're happy with your content, click Next to get to your confirmation step. From here, or also in the header or in the right drawer, you can select a different emoji. You can change the title. So if it's for your team, you could say product team one-on-one. The description can be modified to be as detailed as you'd like to give your participants the most context for what this flow is all about and how you might plan to use it. And there you have it. There's your one-on-one with your direct reports. I hope you find this useful.